Hey everybody, welcome to the second episode of the daily vlog where I take my company that's not making money and I try to make it make money. My goal is to hit $100,000 gross annual revenue within the next 12 months. Right now I'm at about like $12,000 annual revenue and negative profit. So we still got a long way to go. In the last video, I said I was going to do some CAD and change the design of my carabiners. And then I promptly went to the store and then went and got some ice cream and didn't actually do any CAD. So I need to do that today. Now I'm already starting off today behind. I work about an hour away from my home and I had to stay at work late, which meant that I would hit more traffic on my way home. And then there was also an accident. So it took me like 2 hours to get home between working late and that extra drive time. I've already lost 3 hours today, which when you only get, 4 hours of work a day in on, because you have a full-time job for, well, up through the end of this week. After the end of this week, I'll be going to part-time, but at least for the rest of this week, I still have all of those obligations. And it's definitely harder to get stuff done when you have a full-time job. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of computer work to catch up on, and that's where I'm going to start today. In addition to the normal design, the everything stuff, I have some client work. I do some freelance engineering design for a company that makes molds. So I need to do some mold design before I can even get to the carabiners. All right, it's 2 hours later. Kiddos are in bed. Consulting work is done, or the freelance design work is done. And now I'm on to video editing. Still need to do CAD, but I need to do video editing first, otherwise I'll get buried. So today was definitely not the most exciting of these vlogs. Hopefully there's not a whole lot more like this, but my schedule will be a lot more free and I'll be able to do more in a day after I'm done with my day job, which happens tomorrow. Well, I'll still be there part-time, 3 days a week, but I get way more time back in the week. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.